Alright, time for a quick resume of cool shit that I built. Check it out. A wooden coffee table built for my studio where I needed something small. It turned out pretty cool. I made a gate. A built-in custom shelf, all made with pallet wood, going up my stairs. Raised garden beds. 1, 2, 3. A kitchen island wrapped in pallet wood. Pretty cool top. Turned out pretty good. Front looks nice. Pallet flower boxes for my house. Turned out pretty cool. A sign for my wedding. Outdoor yard art. But wait, there's more. Hanging herb boxes. So those are just a few things that I thought were interesting that I have built around my house. And I don't know, follow my channel and we might make more stuff, and hopefully you can make some cool stuff too. That's really what I want. I want to empower you to think that you can do this too, and next time you see a piece of junk wood on the side of the road or a pallet or something and you think, you know what, I can make something cool out of that, and let's make cool stuff together. That's what I want. So like and subscribe somewhere in the somewhere. Peace.